Hello mga kanoos!
Welcome to our video.
Good morning! Naku, itsura ko. Is there business in the hotel?
Yes!
Yes.
Because look, I have.
Oh, careful, it's very hot. It's very hot. Ta-da! Okay. Careful.
Let's hold it down.
Okay, dog.
Papayin tayo.
Okay, dog. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, it's a banana.
I always say one thing if I'm drinking anything.
Oh, really? You drink anything? You're drinking any? You're drinking everything? But not everything. It should be. Oh, what is that? That's not apple. That's a banana.
Apple, banana, hello, I'm calling you.
Why are you calling me? You don't have food. That's a banana, ate. And who turned 4 years old yesterday? And where are you going right now? Today? Where are you going to?
Disneyland. I'm gonna see Elsa.
Okay, dog. So, I'm gonna tour them in Disneyland later?
Can I picture them?
Of course. Okay.
Papa.
Okay, bye. Wow! Mickey family! Ay, hindi nakamit yung isa. Ay, outcast. Ako din pala. Konting lakad lang from the hotel going to the shuttle bus. The bus from Disney's Hollywood Hotel going to Disneyland Park runs every 10 to 20 minutes. Travel time between locations is approximately 5 to 7 minutes.
This is a frozen bus. I'm riding in a frozen bus.
Going to?
Disneyland. And then I'm wearing a bow dress. It's just a frozen bus, right?
Yeah. We're finally here, Hong Kong Disneyland Park. As early as 8:30 a.m., pwede ka na pumila. If you would avail the early park entry tickets, scan nila ang ticket mo at pwede ka na pumasok 1 hour before it opens at 10 a.m. But if you're one of the Disney Hotel guests, may special entrance ka. Dire-diretso lang, wala nang pila. Pagkapasok, pinuntahan muna namin ang City Hall Disneyland, where you can get friendly assistance with some basic guest needs. Tulad na lang nitong special birthday button. Dahil kasama namin ang birthday celebrant, kinuha namin ito at pinikap sa City Hall. Nag-rent din kami ng cute Mickey roller para hindi mapagod ang birthday celebrant. While waiting for them, pinanood muna namin ito si Mr. Goofy. Ay, inaantok ang baby namin. Oh, ayan na sila. Ready to stroll. Hong Kong Disneyland Resort, Lantau Islands, Hong Kong. Okay, let's start the ball rolling. Doon muna tayo sa mga rides. Masyado nang mataas ang araw pero malamig naman ang hangin. Mag-post daw muna ang birthday celebrant. Umpisahan natin dito sa Dumbo the Flying Elephant.
There, the yellow one. Get the yellow one. Go get the yellow one. Oh, you hold me. You hold me. Because there's water. Bye. Bye.
She's about to meet the real Belle.
So tall.
My goodness, you look just like me today. Do you like to read storybooks too? Because you're wearing the Belle costume. That's matching. And I see you're celebrating your birthday. Happy birthday. Both birthdays are so special. I think Lumiere is going to be very excited. He always likes to help light the candles on the cake. And every once in a while, he'll whip up the gray stuff and put the candle right on top. Have you ever tried the gray stuff? It's delicious. You'll have to come and be our guest sometime. We can have some of those for you.
Yeah, to her.
That's alright. There's a lot to look at in here.
Yeah.
And the flowers everywhere. Oh, and can I show you something special? Do you want to see this?
What is that? What is that? That's Belle. Oh yeah. Uh-oh.
into a world unlike anything you've ever seen. A place where you can believe, explore, and be part of the Frozen story.
Naks, may ganun rin?
Siyempre. So yun na nga, this is the world's first and largest Frozen theme land. Sa swerte, lapit ng Hong Kong sa Pinas. It was officially opened November 20, 2023. Last year lang. So tara, silipin nga natin kung ano mga kaganapan dito sa Arendelle. You can shop souvenirs at TikTok toys and collectibles, candy store and sweet treats in Northern Delights.
Busugin ang tiyan.
Here are the finest restaurants in Golden Crocus Inn.
Tiyan?
Say excuse.
Excuse me?
Oops, parang pagod na ang birthday girl. O busog. O inaantok. Whatever.
Are you tired?
Dami po dala, bebe. Let's go.
Thank you. I say thank you.
Time to go home.
Going home?
Pasus lang sa kwarto na pala ang batang are. At sa kwarto na lang pala nanood.
Good night, everyone. Love you. No, okay.